Turn around here. All right, we're turned around. No cars coming. Let's see what this thing does. On YouTube, I've tried to get this stupid thing to link up. It will not pick up a satellite. I don't know what's going on with it, so I'm just gonna run this thing down the road here and see what it does, I guess, and run these batteries dead. I'm tired of messing with the thing. It's clearly not gonna work, so let's just rip this thing and see what it runs like. How's that sound? Let's just get a run out of her. We're just gonna do a run out of her regardless. See what she does here. Screw it, y'all. Right. Let's see how she rips. Let's just check how she goes here, boys. See if she's going straight. See how that's all going. Just checking out some stuff, I guess. See how the old car's handling. I ain't gonna strap all them on. We're just gonna see how this baby rips. Let's take her on down here. It rolls out, y'all. That wasn't even full power. It feels like it's pulling real bad one way. Here we go. This thing's fast, y'all. Let's get her zipping by here one more time. Asshole tried to hit my car on purpose. That kind of made me mad, guys. Sorry about that. It kind of upset me. All right, no cars. Let's see what this thing does. Ooh, about got her off the road there, boy. This thing rolls out, y'all. Holy shit, this thing rolls out, y'all. Get one more hit. All right, nothing coming. Don't lose signal. That thing's way down there, boy. This ain't a joke, y'all. Holy crap, if only oh, the GPS has got signal. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, we got signal. Let's see how fast this thing really is. All right, y'all, give me a second. Let's see, it's picking up. It is picking up. You can see it there, 13 satellites. Let's take this thing down here and see what she does now. Now we got a GPS signal on it. Take this thing on down here. That'll work. Back it on up. Turn around here. All right, we're turned around. No cars coming. Let's see what this thing does. Track. And now it has no satellites. On this, I got satellites. Track. Start. As y'all see, we were reading. I did hit start this time, so let's take it down here. Take it on down here. Turn this baby around. All right, we gotta turn around. No cars coming. Here we go. Here, turn around here. Oh shit, ran it right off the road. God damn it. Well, we're gonna have to go get that, y'all. My dumb ass ran it right off the road like an idiot. And we lost all GPS signal, so I don't think it's gonna work again. There we get my car, I lost it in the ditch. Let's go down here and see where she's at, folks. Where is it at? Right here somewhere. There it is, sitting in the ditch. Put on my hazard lights, get out. Let's get this thing. Oh, it picked up for a second there. Let's get close to him. Do it again. Stop. Read. 85 mile an hour, y'all. Boom. There it is. 85. Y'all seeing it yourself? There she is, still in one piece. Video never stopped. 85 mile an hour. That's gonna cut it for this one. We're gonna put some big electronics in now. And it ain't even got the high-speed gearing in it yet. So I'm gonna switch to high-speed gearing, run it one more time, see what it can get with just its gearing with the stock system. And then we're gonna switch it out, guys. 85 mile an hour. There it is. Y'all see it. Let's yeah, capture that stuff. Read, share, screenshot, boom. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for this one. Peace out. You ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong.